Hi, I'm Gert Schultz from the Best Sales Coach. Today we're going to talk about commitment. Come on! No, not the commitment that we have to undertake in order to be successful in sales. No, this is about the commitment that we want to nurture and generate in our potential customers to make the next step and eventually buy. No matter how good your product is, how brilliant you are at presenting, how fantastic the price is, it's actually the customer who's got to make the decision to buy your product. And for that, they need commitment. So how do you get a customer to commit to a meeting, to a fact-find session, to a drink, to a presentation, a demo, or even a close? Here are 3 tactics to get commitment from a customer. Number 1, ask questions, discover the pain points. Number 2, sell the sizzle, not the sausage. And the sizzle is the benefits, the things that products actually do for customers, how they address their pain points. And the third one is to make sure that you have agreement all the way through the sales process. Send an email confirming what was discussed. Send a confirmation of the meeting. Recap. 3 ways of gaining commitment from customers. Have fun, like and share this video. The more we share, the more we learn.